Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reboot your device. Alright, but why it's even worth to perform a reboot? Let's say that we have some issues with long time of opening the apps, or the apps don't even want to launch. That's the moment when the reboot can help. Or also in other situations such as lagging phone, and similar things like that, or for example frozen screen. That's the moment when the reboot can help. The iPhone doesn't have the reboot function built in, so we will have to manually turn off and turn on device. First we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking volume up, volume down, and then we need to hold the power button for like 1 second. So I'll show you: volume up, volume down, hold the power button, just like that. Now we are in the power menu. Now simply slide to the right side, release your finger, click on OK. Now let's wait a few seconds until the phone is fully turned off. And now all we need to do is to simply hold the power button until we see the Apple logo. So keep holding. OK, when it appears you can release your finger, and now simply wait until the phone turns on. It will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.